No, baby.
Chief.
Can you imagine? It has been a long time.
Yeah.
No, baby.
Chief.
Look at how you are shining and you are. Hi. No, baby.
Chief.
I don't know.
Chief.
No, baby. Come inside. Oh, why, Norma? Huh? Look, God. Which people open gate for you? Huh? No, which people?
This house is very beautiful.
What? Chineke merumebe.
Your house is very beautiful. So you came here and hid yourself.
No, someone came here and hid myself.
Chief, which one do you have?
This is our house. You know my place and you are free to come in anytime you want.
Thank you.
Why, Mama? Look at how you are shining.
Chief, you make me feel shy. Okay.
How would I make my own baby to feel shy again?
Chief.
How would I make my own baby to feel shy? I swear to God. Get in that bar.
Chief, your phone is ringing.
Nah, yeah, I'm in the village. Yeah, I'm coming back. Can you imagine? I said it. Mama Peter. Hello? Please, Mama Peter, give me some little time. I will call you back, okay? I hope you are fine, right? Then I will call you back. Just give me a little time, okay?
Chief, let them chill. I come so that we can have some good time together.
Nah, baby. Hey, chill. Nah, I need to go up. You're quite shy. Yeah.
Chief, they will not allow me to have some good time with you today. The same people. Hello? Yeah, we are no longer afraid of account numbers. Keep sending. Yeah, we have had so much now. No problem. Yeah. First bank, eh? Okay.
Bye-bye.
No problem.
Bye.
Wow. Chief.
And
your phone.
It's your own.
My goodness.
It's not mine, it's your own.
Hello? Yeah, whether I remember that Christmas is on the way? Yeah. When is the Christmas? 25 or 23?
I'm not
25. Don't worry. Yeah, this side I think they have postponed it.
Because
they have postponed Christmas. Yeah, there's lockdown here. Lockdown in everything. Wow, good chef. Thank you. Thank you. Very much. Thank you. Wow. That's it.
Oh yeah, he's doing well.
Chief, you're too much. You are too much. These people will not allow me to rest. They will not allow me to have some good time with you today. Hello? Yeah, Merry Christmas. Which Mary? And we have lockdown here. There's no Christmas this year. It's postponed. Yeah. Yeah, are you surprised? Yeah, we are locked down. So there's lockdown for Christmas, lockdown for everything. Yeah. 2020 Christmas lockdown.
Hello, Chris Odobu. And now, Chalo, Emma, I'm going to get a warehouse. I use the other side. So when I use the other side, then my back came out of but I'm why I needed the Dutch on K to the eye. So Messi and my party house. Okay, now, and we're better now. Like I'm never able to guide you. What now? But I'll stop.
Chief, this is getting too much. Yes, like I told your mother, Christmas is postponed this year.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tell them.
Why? Because my my phone is ringing left and right. The same topic, Christmas. Yeah. From Trump losing the election to coronavirus, and
since you have been in Europe, you don't even know how to.
don't mind me. The corona is too much. From Trump losing the election to coronavirus to lockdown.
Such a
So we were not working. They were like Christmas. Nothing negative. Please, Chief, we will leave this because we remember so that we don't go late for the meeting.
Yeah, you made a very good guy. We will leave. We are going to leave. Let's
Chief.
Yeah, let's leave this place. We need to have fun now. And then once in a while. We only see you once in a while. Let me pick up my one or two. This is your another phone. Yeah. Seriously, you have many phones now.
Chief is the same thing. Yeah?
Hey!
Let's go.
Oh baby. No, you cannot meet him. Hey, I'm going to give me. Oh.